tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I did my second day of glitter eyeshadow from Glit Your Life. I'm so very thankful to have ordered from them. You guys, their glitters are amazing. Like, they are amazing. I am in love. Like, I'm ready to go purchase another order. But anyways, you guys, this is the look that I created with the glitter today. If you guys want to see how I created this look, all I need you to do is do me 3 favors. I need you to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and if you're not, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I also need you to turn on your little bell notifications over there by the subscribe button so that you never miss a video again. You guys, like, share, and comment on the video. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this eyeshadow look, you guys. By the title, you know that it's a rainbow glitter cut crease. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Again, I'm going back into the P. Laus Secret Center palette, and I'm gonna be using the rainbow colors out of this palette to achieve this look today. So I'm starting off with the yellow, and I'm just blending that in my crease. I'm not really doing too much blending, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm then going in with the orange, and I'm placing it right on top of that yellow so you don't see where the yellow cuts off at. I'm then going to go in with the pink, you guys, and place it right over the orange. And basically just pack the product in. I'm not doing too much blending. I'm just packing the colors on the lid so that they show a lot better. So now I'm going to go in with the last color, which is the purple. And I'm going to use that to kind of wing out my eye, as well as pack it on top of the pink so it just has a blending effect. The next thing that I'm going to do, you guys, is go ahead and cut my crease off of camera. And I don't know why I happen to do that, you guys. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going in with the Glit Your Life glitter. And this glitter is called the Sweetheart Glitter. If you're wanting to purchase, I will have all of the information down below, you guys. She's a Black-owned business. And when I tell you she is bomb in doing her thing. Like, you go, girl. Yes, girl. And you guys, you have to be careful with the chunky glitter because it is chunky. It can get heavy on your eye. Next, you guys, I'm going in with my MAC Tester foundation to achieve my full coverage face. I probably should learn the shade of this foundation because I find myself using it like almost every day. So next, I'm going to just spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus Prime Setting Spray in Coconut. And y'all, let me tell y'all, this spray is just bomb. It just rejuvenates your face like nobody's business. Okay, so I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium, and I'm going to be using this to conceal underneath my eyes. I know right now I look like a bald head scatterwag. Do not come for me. I did not put on my wig yet. You know, get it together. Let's get it right, get it right, get it ready. Yeah, let me tell y'all, in my videos, I be listening to gospel music, and it just be having me turned on the gospel. So now I'm just taking my Insta Face Pop Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just using that to press the concealer into my skin. Y'all, when I say this is a bomb brush, this is a bomb brush. Like, if I could just go buy 1,000,000 of these brushes, I would. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on my wig off camera, and this is the look, y'all. The only thing that I'm doing right now is just baking underneath my contour so that I can get a clean and crisp contour. I'm going to go ahead and spray my wipe off brush with the Coconut Fix Plus MAC spray, and I'm going to use that to dip into the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage powder and wipe away the powder underneath my eyes and as well as underneath my contour, and just give me an even skin tone look. So now I'm just going in and locking everything in with my MAC Fix Plus Gold Setting Spray. And you guys, this is just going to give me a hydrating, glitterful, sparkling look. So now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I am using every single glow in here, you guys. Like, every single one of them I'm mixing together. and I'm highlighting with. We are going to be a highlighting donut. Like a whole snack, right? Like, bite me. Don't bite me. Flips hair. Break your neck more like. Okay, so. Oh, girl, who is that? Who is that? Who is that girl? Who are you, girl? Sign me up. Anyways, you guys, this pretty much concludes the end of the video. I appreciate you guys for supporting me the way you do. I appreciate you guys for watching everything that I post when I post. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications, and I will see you guys in another mother freaking video. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.